Good day, everyone. So for this video lecture, we'll be talking about on how to compute, okay, or get the value of mean, the median, the mode, and also the standard deviation. Okay, so let's still use the long cup data. Okay, that's CSV. So basically, in the previous video lecture, we store the the data, okay, long the long data receive read the CSV. Okay, so as you can see here, we have long data with 725 rows of for 6 variables. Okay, so now let's compute the arithmetic mean. Okay, using the mean function. Okay, so mean, and then let's compute the mean of the long cup, okay, the long cup column. Okay, and we can also, if you don't want to use the mean function, you can actually use the formula in getting the mean. Okay, so you get first the sum of all the data. So in our case, you have long data, long cup, and then over the total number of data. Okay, so if you want to know the number, okay, the total number of the a particular data in a data set, so just use the length, okay, the length function. So and then the long long data and long. Okay, so let's check if we have the same values. Okay, so run. So as you can see, for the mean we have 7.8 something, and also with our formula and getting the sum and over the total number of data, so you have 7 point something also. Okay, so that's the mean. For the median, so just use the median function. Okay, and then again let's consider the long cup data. Okay, long cup run. Okay. And for the mode, so again, the most frequent data in the given data set. So you can use the table function, okay, to get the tally, okay, of each data in the given data set. So long data, then long cup. Since we have a wide range of data, so we have maybe quite long rows here. Okay, there. Okay, and mid-range, so just again, if you know the formula, so just apply the formula. Okay, so basically for the mean, you can use the mean function. Median, use the median function. And for the mode, so just get the frequency distribution of each data in the given data set. Okay, so now let's measure the measures of variations, specifically the standard deviation. Okay, um, in most measurement, okay, if you want to describe the data in base of measures of variation, they actually consider the standard deviation rather than variance. Okay, so for standard deviation, SD, okay, and then same data, long data, then long cup. Okay, but if you want to know the variance, so just use the var. Okay, long data, then standard. Okay, so SD for standard deviation, variance for var for variance. Okay, so again, remember that um, standard deviation is just a square root of variance, so you can get the value of standard deviation by getting the square root of the variance. Okay, there. So square root of the result of the variance. So let's run this line. Okay, so as you can see, SD, using SD function, you have 2 point something, and also using the square root of the variance value, so you have 2 point something. Okay, so I think that's it. So here's a demonstration on how to get the value of mean, median, mode, and also the variance and standard deviation.